This video guide is dedicated to help you remove the online scam by the site Fulltimehighpotencyguard.info. Fulltimehighpotencyguard.info is a dangerous site. It attacks Google Chrome browser and it affects other browsers too. It tries to make you click on the allow button, and also it tries to scare you into downloading and installing certain potentially unwanted applications. If you see these pop-ups by this site, do not tolerate them. Just leave this deceptive page. Also, I recommend you to research your computer with Combo Cleaner, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. So download it, install it, and once it gets successfully installed, start investigating the computer to detect and remove other infections from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.